Good day for our markets, nothing to complain about. You had the Nifty that is hovering around the 14,200 levels. You have US futures that are rising. You have S&P 500 futures that's near its record high levels. Even the Nasdaq futures is showing an uptick of about 1%. Remember, Nasdaq was the only US benchmark indices that fell in yesterday's trading session, while Dow and S&P 500 continued to rise. Also, you have Donald Trump saying now that there will be an orderly transition on January 20th. So definitely the investors are going to take that on a positive note. But let me take you through the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. And first up, I'll talk about Dixon Tech. That particular counter surged over 5% in intraday trading session to a fresh record high level. The consumer durables manufacturer said that it has entered into an agreement with Imagine Marketing Private Limited, that is BOAT, for manufacturing of twin wireless speakers. The company will manufacture speakers at its Noida facility. The stock is sold nearly 260% in the last 52 weeks and is up for a sixth consecutive session. Moving on, you have Sobha that has hit its highest level since February 2020. The realty company reported a 22% jump in the Q3 sales value on back of record quarterly sales volume. The company said that sales performance in H2 2021 is expected to be better than H2 2020 due to new plant launches as well as continuing demand for the housing. So on back of that, you have Sobha that is gaining, but Sobha is not the only realty counter that is surging in trade today. You look at the realty pack and you'll be amazed by the moves coming in. This rally in the realty sector is followed by reports that said that Maharashtra cabinet has cleared a 50% cut in the premiums for builders. The cabinet approved proposal to lower the construction premiums paid by builders by 50% for a year to support the sector. On back of that news, you have Indiabulls Realty that is surging over 10% in trade today. It snapped its two-day losing streak. Godrej Properties has hit a record high, up for a second straight session. Oberoi Realty is up for a second straight session. Mahindra Life ditto for that as well, up for a second straight session. Kolte Patil has surged over 7% in trade, is up for a third day in a row. And on back of not only the Maharashtra-based builders, you also have this effect rubbing over to other realty stocks as well. So realty is flying high and shining in trade today. Moving on, let me talk about Bharat Forge as well as RK Forging. Both of these counters are surging. According to FTR Transport Intelligence data, orders for Class 8 trucks in US rose by about 165% on a year-on-year basis to 52,100 units in December 2020. Yes, sales saw a marginal decline, but good orders coming in for Class 8 trucks in the United States. On back of that, you have Bharat Forge that's surging most in 21 weeks to its highest level since November 2018. You have RK Forgings that's surging almost 9% in trade to its highest levels since March 13, 2019. Apart from that, Bandhan Bank is gaining on back of its Q3 operational reports. You have Venky's India. I flagged it off yesterday as well. Today also the counter is falling. Is down for a fourth straight session. It's near its 2-month low on back of bird flu scare. The stock has definitely recovered from the lows of the day, but this one particular incident is an overhang on the particular counter. Ujjivan Financial is gaining most in 6 weeks. You have Phenolix Cable that's up most in 6 months at its highest levels in almost a year. So this is how the market is looking like, and these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade today.